I invite you to sit or lie in a comfortable position and breathe. I invite you to close your eyes and connect with your breath. Slowly inhale through your nose and allow your lips to open as you exhale through your mouth. I invite you to continue the circle breathing as I guide you through your gratitude meditation. Notice how your mind begins to soften and relax. Notice how your body begins to soften and relax. Allow your mind to focus on how each breath enters and leaves the body. Throughout this meditation, I want you to feel what you are grateful for in every cell of your body. In this moment, I want you to remember how you've been blessed. Remember the beauty that's in your life in this present moment. Start to visualize all the ways you've been loved in your lifetime. Visualize all the things that bring you joy. As you visualize all of these realities flooding every cell of your body, feel gratitude from your head all the way down to your toes. Let this gratitude ignite your soul. Let this gratitude fill your body from head to toe. Repeat in your mind, I am grateful for, and fill in the blank. I am grateful for. Start to think about all of the things in your life you are grateful for. The blessings that are overflowing. The people. The feelings. Any love and support that comes to mind. Allow it to fill your consciousness. Allow it to take physical form in your body. Allow your heart to smile as you think about all of the things that you're grateful for. Pretend your heart has a door and allow that door of your heart to swing open. Lift your hands towards the sky and slowly bring all of these things into your heart. And allow your heart to expand. as you bring in all of the things you're grateful for, your heart expands, gets bigger and bigger. You feel full, whole, and complete. You know you have been loved in this lifetime. You know that if you have been supported, allow this feeling of gratitude to flow through your veins from head to toe. If any fear, doubt, worry, or frustration comes up, just let it flow out like a river, flowing past all of the gratitude, knowing that you deserve everything that you're grateful for, knowing that you deserve the best life has to offer. Allow everything that you're grateful for to uplift you, to empower you, to let you know that you are loved and provided for. Take a deep inhale and slowly exhale. Another deep inhale and slowly exhale. In your mind, repeat after me. I am love. I am love. Take a deep inhale and slowly exhale. And repeat after me. I am grateful. Take a deep inhale and slowly exhale. I am grateful. Allow this gratitude to continue to give you life, to give you energy, to give you the vitality that you need to do anything that you need to do. Feel empowered and inspired by all of the things you have to be grateful for. Take another deep inhale and exhale. When you are ready, slowly open your eyes and start to journal any divine downloads or insights that came through. No matter what came up, write it down so that you will remember where you're at right now. Remember, you are loved.